I'm Production Supervisor. Got a great bunch of people. There's approximately 60 out on the floor. We have some folks that's been here up to 37 years. One lady up here, actually 40 this year. Another gentleman, 30. So we've got a lot of experience. I have saw these folks do some fantastic things since I've been here. I've saw us be down due to supply chain, whatever it may be. There really wasn't any way we were going to make the month. And at the end of the month, we got it. These people, when they pull together, they can absolutely do some amazing things. From the first time I walked in, I know when I took the tour of the building when I first came here for my interview, I was really impressed with the way the building looked, the way the people interacted. Positive experience coming in, just coming in the door and just kind of looking around and speaking to a few folks. That is the strength that we have here, are the people, and it starts with plant manager all the way down. Caleb is excellent. You go all the way down, it's great. Just a good bunch of people that work well together. They excel when it's the toughest.